Good morning, everyone. It is July 3rd, Thursday, July 3rd. Happy 4th of July to everyone for tomorrow. I know I wanted to tell you that before I forget. Anyway, excuse my voice this morning. I'm having real bad allergies, but I wanted to come on and talk to you about the Candyland swap that I'm doing with Rebecca Hoot. Actually, it's a Candyland journal camp, and I did the swap as well and swapped with two people. And here is one of the packages that I received. It's from Johnna. She has a channel, The Preppy Crafty Girl. I believe that's her channel. I will, and she has an Etsy shop too as well. In fact, I was shopping in there last night, and there's some things I want. But I need to go back there and really look at it, possibly on my computer, so I can see everything close up and personal. But I wanted to go ahead and show you what I received from her. Well, let's see real quick. I thought I had everything open. Get that open. All right. She first off, she really put cute stuff on the packaging. Super cute. I didn't do that on my package to her. No, now I feel bad. Oh, look, she put Hey Deborah, and she put Sparkle Mountain cupcakes on here. Oh my gosh, that's cute. Anyway, look at that. Candyland game. I'm definitely putting that in. And she wrote me a little note. Happy camper meal, yay. Day, yay. I had so much fun putting this together for you. I'm super excited about camp. This is my first one. Mine too. Hope you enjoyed the goodies. Johnna. Shred and oh my gosh. She wrapped it up so cute. I didn't do that. I feel bad now. Oh, she showed this on one of her videos. Look, I love that pen. Look at that. That's perfect. And then we got some cute little shred. Oh, she sent me one of the little game pieces. Oh my goodness. I don't have one, so that's perfect. Oh, she sent me another one, a red one. That is perfect. Oh my goodness. I am so excited. Look at this. Oh, look at the ruffle. Okay. Okay, I'm going to have to open that in a minute, but let's look at these fibers. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at that yarn. Look at the fibers. That is so cute. I'm so excited. Look. Some recipe, like a recipe. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's awesome. And this ruffled fabric across here. I don't know how to do that. I'm going to have to go watch some of her videos and figure that out. Oh, look, a shaker. It's a sweet thing. Look how cute that is. And she sewed it and put it on. Oh, she put it on this. Oh, and put my letter D. Oh, look at the felt bow. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. Look at this. And the paper bags. I love using paper bags. In fact, she got a bunch of them for me. And the Wonka bar playing card. Look how cute that is. And then the paper clip with all this fabric and the beads and that little, I can't remember what these are called, but that is super cute. Oh my goodness, look at this. This little topper bag with all of these little items in here, and then she pre-drilled a hole. Oh my gosh. She showed that on one of her videos. What she uses, a Dremel type device. Oh my goodness. Which I need to order that. I need the link to, well, she did put a link on her video on one. Oh my gosh. I put all the holes in the trinkets and added some jump rings and bulb pins so you can add them to your journal. Thank you so much, Johnna. Oh my gosh. Thank you, because you know I don't have that tool yet, but I will. I will. Oh, and then look, she sent me a pin, and it has a little gummy bear on it. Oh my goodness, because gummy bears are my favorite candy. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Oh my God. Okay. All right, she just did this package so well, and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I am saving this box for sure. I will probably repurpose it. I mean, gosh, she did such a good job on it. Okay, let me finish up with everything. Thank you, Johnna. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Okay, I want to go into this real quick and everything that is in it. I put that aside at the beginning. Okay, let me get my scissors. I don't want to mess it up because it's so... Okay, there we go. I really don't want to mess it up because it's so cute. Bear with me. I apologize for all this sniffling, guys. It is... I'm not feeling that great. My husband and I have been going walking every morning, and today it felt like it. Just don't feel good. That's okay. Look how cute. Oh my goodness, guys, I haven't even started my journal or anything. I know we're supposed to be putting it together. I missed the pajama party and everything, and I haven't done anything to it. Oh my goodness, look how cute. Chocolate Falls, and look at these stamps. I remember those as a kid. Can't remember what they're called, but look, she's got a bingo card with the ruffle on it, and how stinking cute is that? And the button and everything. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. And this gummy bear tree. I mean, well, it's like gummies. It's little gummy candy. Oh my gosh. Chapter 1, breakfast. And these are just different things to add. The cinnamon swirl and just recipes to add to it. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. This is awesome. Okay, and then I'm going to open this. I love the paper bag. I'm going to try to keep it intact because I definitely want to put that in my journal. And it's just loaded with candy. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Those wrappers are going to be so cute in here. And then look at the sucker. Oh my gosh. These wrappers are going to be awesome in the journal. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. I love everything. It is just amazing. And I need to get started on my journal this week. So I can, be caught up for camp. Anyway, oh my goodness. Look how stinking cute everything is. Alright, I just wanted to hurry up and get this video up and show everyone what Johnna sent me for the Candyland swap for Camp Candyland, Rebecca Hoot's Camp Candyland. And I can't wait to get started on my journal. And you guys have a great day. And I will put links for her YouTube channel as well as her Johnna's YouTube channel and her Etsy shop. You guys have a great day.